Continuing in our beef series, today we're making churrasco. Come on, let's get started.
Todo queda sabroso.
So churrasco is popular in many Latin countries, but especially in Argentina where beef reigns supreme. And churrasco is simply a flat type of meat like skirt steak or flank steak or even sirloin that's grilled to perfection. Okay, now we're going to season it. I have one lime here. I'm just going to squeeze lime on both sides. I'm going to hit it with some salt, as well as some black pepper and some dried oregano. Okay, then we're going to set this aside. Okay, now we're going to do the sauce, which is taking the famous Argentinian condiment chimichurri, but making it creamy. Okay, so I have my parsley, which is the main ingredient, and it has garlic, which I'm going to put in a food processor. I'm going to add some serrano peppers. I'm adding one. I'm keeping the seeds in because I want it a little bit spicy. I'm going to add about 2 cups of flat leaf parsley. You can add cilantro if you want. I'm also adding some dried oregano. Add a little bit of salt. And then with chimichurri, there's always some type of acid. The main is red wine vinegar, but I also like to include lemon juice. You can use lime juice as well. So I'm going to add about 2 tablespoons of red wine vinegar. I'm also going to add some olive oil, about 2 tablespoons as well. And then we're going to pulse it, and that's very important. You don't want to puree it, but you want to make sure everything comes together, but it's still a little bit chunky. Chimichurri is ready to go. Okay, now we're going to grill our flank steak. Give that a flip. Oh yeah.
I also made an Argentinian flatbread called tortilla a la parrilla to go with it.
Okay, so here we have our flank steak that's been resting. I'm gonna cut it in half just to manage it a little bit better. And then, as always, there are natural lines that flow through the meat. As you can see, you wanna cut against those lines, right? And I like to cut it on an angle, and we're gonna cut thin strips of that flank steak. Okay, now we're gonna take that flatbread, the tortilla a la parrilla, and I took the chimichurri and I mixed it with some yogurt, some Greek yogurt. I grilled off some peppers. Then we're going to layer that beautiful flank steak. Oh, mama. Then I reserved some chimichurri that we're just going to place on the top. And here we have it. Argentinian churrasco. Sabroso.
If you like this video, click the recipe tab in the video description, which will take you to our recipe page on Provecho, where you'll get a printer-ready format of the recipe that links directly to Instacart, so you can shop for all the ingredients instantly. You can also follow along with the video as you make something sabroso.
Todo queda sabroso.